Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your KeyBank account with your desktop. If you'd like to get online access to your KeyBank account and you don't know how to do it, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. You can open up any web browser of your choice. Now, go to the address field at the top of the screen and type in www.key.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of KeyBank, which looks like this. In the top right hand corner where it says online banking, click on the sign on button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the sign in area. Type in your user ID in the first text field. Make sure to type in your information that is associated with your bank account. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. If you want the system to save your user ID so that you won't have to type it in again and again next time, click on Save User ID box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked before logging into your account for your security. In case you are having problems signing into your account since you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on this Problem Signing On link and follow the on-screen prompts. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet, click on Enroll in Online Banking and follow the steps. After you're done entering your user ID and your password and you're ready to log into your account, click the Sign On button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your online banking account on KeyBank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.